In this video, I will share with you how to add a neon glow text effect in Hostinger website builder. This is a demonstration of the neon glow effect that I will share with you how to add in your website in Hostinger website builder. Doing so is so easy. Just log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on websites list. From this page, you will see a list of all websites available in your Hostinger account, and then click on this edit website button next to your Hostinger builder website. If you're like me, you have multiple different websites and you're looking for an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger builder, just look at this icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is a Hostinger builder website icon. Now click on this edit website button. This is my website homepage in Hostinger website builder, and first I will add a blank section here. To add your neon glow text effect, click on add element from this left sidebar and scroll down to the bottom and drag and drop this embed code element, just like that. Click on enter code, delete this existing one, and copy the HTML code I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. Paste your HTML code here and hit embed code. Sometimes Hostinger website builder glitches and stop or does not show you your complete code. Don't worry. If you hit update code or update website, then you view your site live, you will see your complete code. But if you insist on seeing your complete code here or your complete code result here, just delete this element, then click on Command Z on MacBooks or on Mac, or Control Z on if you're on a PC, and you will see your complete code results. Now let's make this text wider like that. Make this section or adjust this section height and save these changes. Let's view my website live again, and this is my neon glow text effect. To edit this text, it's simple. Just copy this text like that, and then click on the element to see this enter code button. Click on it to have your code here. Now all you need to do, click on Command F on Mac or Control F on PC to have this search tool. Now paste your copied text here, and as you can see, it jumps directly to the text part. Now if I edit this text part like that, for example, welcome to Ben's experience, click on embed code. As you can see, now this is my welcoming text. Let's adjust this section height and update the code. View site live. As you can see, the neon glow text effect is only available for this part. The last part does not have the glow effect. I think I know the solution to that. As you can see, where is Ben? I will search with Ben's, because my text, as you can see, I need to copy my text to this data text part. I will hit past, embed code, and as you can see, now all the sentence has the neon glow text effect. Let's update my website again. Let's view my website live. And now all the text has the neon glow text effects. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.